Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make a DIY sound muffler for my camera for when I'm recording in windy locations such as the beach, and I do record a lot at the beach. So I have my supplies here. I have my box cutter. You'll need one of these. You'll need a pair of scissors and some fabric with a little bit of a furry material on top and a bottom that you can affix to your camera. And I'm just using this little thing I had in my house. There is this command double-sided sticky tape that I'm going to be using that I picked up at Ocean State Job Lot, and that will be my tape there. And in addition, I have just a pen that I will use to mark the spot on my command strip before cutting. So first you want to go in and get your strip and cut it to the appropriate size to cover that little camera section on, not camera, the microphone section on your camera. So mine is right on top. I assume that's the case for most point and shoots. I'm not sure about DSLRs, but typically the microphone is on top of the camera. So you want to locate that and appropriately size your tape to fit over that. Then you want to mark out a little spot on top for the microphone itself, and that is what you're going to use your box cutter to cut into, because you do want to make sure that there is a hole right over the microphone for the sound of your voice or whatever you're recording to make its way into your video. So there, I've gone outside and cut this on my deck so as not to cause damage in my house. And now what I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm cutting my little piece of fabric here off of my Christmas sock and I'll be cutting this to the appropriate size, as you can see here, to fit onto my little strip of command tape. So I'm going to be cutting that down so it fits exactly on top here, and you can see that I'm just snipping off the extras here. So once you're done with that and you're happy with the size, what you want to do is remove that little extra piece of tape that has been on there all along. So you want to take that off, and now you want to affix this to your camera. You want to remove both sides of the sticky tape, both sides of the covering on the sticky tape, so you can put it on your camera. You can see I've done it there. You can see my camera hole peeking out as well. So look at that. You can see I have put my little piece of fabric with the fuzz on top, and that is going to be my muffler that is going to prevent that crazy sound. So now what I'll do is I'll use my fan as a test as to just how much interference from the wind this muffler is blocking. I think a before version probably would have been more effective, because now I have no comparison as to what it sounded like before my muffler. But what I will do is, while I am in Miami, I will make sure to take some video on the beach and see how it turns out, and that will be the true test of just how effective this DIY muffler is. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this helped someone.
Get him a run, y'all. Get him a run.
It is too cold. This is not Miami. This is New England, baby.